Howdy fellow Freepikers. In this video, we are going to learn how to turn a bitmap image into a vectorial drawing. It's a handy technique to give an artistic vibe to your posters, merchandise, or t-shirt designs. Let's start. Select the photo you want to convert. Download the selected one. Now open it in Photoshop. Duplicate the background layer. With the layer selected, click on Create Adjustment Layer and select Threshold. Move the threshold level to a nicer value. With the duplicated layer selected, use the Burn tool and recover detail. Also, you can remove detail using the Dodge tool. Go to Filter, Sharpen, and Smart Sharpen. Select the threshold layer and the copy layer. Now right-click and merge layers. Go to File menu and save a copy. Select PNG format. Open the PNG Illustrator. Go to Window, Image Trace. Select the Sketch option. Now move Path Slider to 100%, Noise to 1%, and Corners to 0%. Click on Expand button. And there you have it, a vector drawing ready to be used in your future designs. See you in the next video.